Hey, welcome back. Today we're talking about 3 tips to pay it off sooner. Welcome back. We want you to know that you inspire the team at Dan the Budget Man to help you get out of debt. We do what we do for you. Let's get in agreement and say this together out loud regarding our debt reduction. We purpose to do those things that will help us pay down and pay off our bills quickly. I get it. Times are tough. The world isn't like it used to be. You want to have some fun. You want to quit worrying. You want to go out and just enjoy yourself without being pinched monetarily in every area of your life. However, let me say this in defense of debt paydown. The quicker you get debt paid off, the sooner you can enjoy yourself and spend your money the way you really want to. You see, you're not really spending your money the way you want to when you have to put everything on a charge card. Doing so adds up with the ever-mounting card balance threatening to smother you. You can't just give up or say it's too hard and still live the life you really want to live. You've got to believe with all your heart and talk like a person who can get the debt paid. Here are 3 tips to pay it off sooner. Number 1, add a minimum of $5 each month to your single largest credit card balance payment. Number 2, quit cussing your stuff. Cars, lawnmowers, technology. Instead, call it what you'd like it to be. My blank is well made. My blank is reliable and working well. My blank is trustworthy and dependable. Why not? What do you have to lose by calling your stuff exactly how you want it to be? Keep maintaining your equipment and keep it clean. Plant a good seed. Look in your closet, garage, or house for something you no longer use. It must be in good condition, the same way you want to receive something. And look inside your heart for who is believing for this item. Once you've settled the matter in your heart, give it to that person without expecting anything in return. Heartfelt giving makes its way back to the giver, often from a totally different person. Here are some resources for you. Below is a list of my latest blogs. Pick a topic that covers your situation and peruse the blog. Look at this as an opportunity to get some ideas and come up with some good ideas of your own. If you don't see a blog with your specific money or budget need being addressed, send me your suggestion and let me know in one word or one short sentence what kind of money or budgetary help you seek. Click the link below. Here's a free gift for you. Go to my secure website, www.budgetingessentials.com. On the menu, click Classes, click Free, click Debt Relief Workshop. Sign up. Remember, we are here to help you.